Hello everyone, Captain Billy J here, and I'm going to give you a room tour here at the Scottsdale Plaza Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona. I stayed in room 813 here on the second floor of building 800, which is right by, this is the main lobby over here, and here is the main pool area over there. Just a great location for sure. Minus the stairs to get up, but yeah, so let's take a look at room 813. Room 813, 813. This is a double bed room. It's actually two queens. But let's go ahead and, as you walk in through, this is the door that you'll walk through. You got these shades, and I got a pool that looks out of the pool. You can't really see the pool right now, but those are, just fold those up, or if you want some light, open them up. There's a kind of cool little lamp here on the corner, some artwork on the wall. There's a chair and an ottoman to lay your feet on in the corner, and then we got the two queen beds here. We'll get those in just a second, but over here on the other side is your desk area. So they have a nice little desk area. They got a chair that you can sit in, and got a lamp, and they got some USB plug-in, some 110 outlet there. It's not being used. They give you a book on Arizona, so different things about Arizona. You get a welcome little letter thing talking about the housekeeping and other amenities there is here. Speaking of amenities, here is a microwave. So they do have a microwave here. I used it earlier today to heat up my lasagna. And they have a Keurig, and they also have provided you some of the Keurig things, coffee things. Now, they do have bottles of Voss water in here. I thought it was free, but then you probably can't tell, but if you look at the wording, and maybe right there, it says $6 per bottle. So yeah, almost open one up and that would cost me $6. Also, they do give you a reusable drink holder bottle thing, but that's $9 for that. So be aware of that. But anyways, so microwave, Keurig. Down below here, in this door, this is your safe. So there's your safe. It's a keypad safe with a card. And then they do have a mini fridge in here. So I've got some ice cold Diet Mountain Dew chilling in there. So, and then right next to that is a luggage rack. And I'll save that down. Okay. Over on this wall, here's a TV. It's kind of small, but it works out, I guess. And then also on the side, there's a dresser here, so you can go ahead and put some clothes away. I'll just show you how deep these drawers are. So you put some clothes away. I keep my clothes in the luggage there, so there's my carry-on. And then they got a garbage bag. And this is a connecting room, so there's a connecting room door, and then there's a full-length mirror. Alright, back to the beds. So yeah, there's two queen beds in this room. So usually used to sleep in one bed. Comfortable bed. I slept in it last night. It was comfortable. So you see I was kind of laying on it. See how that one's kind of messy and that one's kind of clean? Yeah, I was laying on that just a few minutes ago. Anyways, over here they got a telephone, and they got a clock and a nice weird looking lamp. I'm not sure how to turn that on, but there's a lamp there. And they got some plug-in, there's a couple of 110 outlets there, and USB as well. So this is good for connections. There's also plug-ins along the wall as well, if you need some plug-ins. Alright, your thermostat's right here by the bathroom. So you can set that to whatever. I have it at 72. And then this is the bathroom. Pretty cool bathroom. Here's your ice bucket, water glasses, some napkins. You have your hair dryer in here. And they have some more storage in here. I got some more drawers. There's a laundry bag in case you do want to do laundry here at the resort. And some other drawers down there as well. Also, there's an ironing board. Right here is an ironing board, so you can use that. There's an extra pillow and a comforter up on top. And there's an iron for that ironing board. Down below that are hangers, and then they have a robe in here. So Scottsdale Plaza Resort robe. So don't take that home, because I'm sure they charge for that. Kind of like the cruise lines. A couple of towels up here. There's your tissue. Some more towels. They give you a soap, which I've been using. So soap, and then also give you some. Let's see. This is body moisturizer, and it's like a shower cap and makeup remover and a shoe mitt. And that's my stuff. Nice mirror, nice lit up mirror. So that's nice. And then this is the shower and toilet. So here's the toilet, plenty of room. There's towels, extra toilet paper, and a shower. Now this shower is pretty nice. It's just the one shower head, but it's a big size, and you can angle it wherever. I mean, I prefer the handheld, but there's a lot of water pressure, so I do like the water pressure. Also, there's plenty of room in here, so as you can see, I'm in here. And, yeah, plenty of room here, and I also got some room height-wise too. Over here on the corner, they do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there, and a little cover with a towel, and those are my products. But yeah, it's a nice shower, good water pressure. I've enjoyed it so far. So, well, that completes the room tour here at the Scottsdale Plaza Resort, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. This is one of the cheapest rooms on site. There are some villas. They have like 2-story villas that suits a lot more people. So feel free to check out the website. I'll put the link to the website in the description of this video, and maybe throw in some video clips of the resort itself. I am in building 800, which is just right off the lobby and right off the main pool area. So if I look out my door, I can't now, it's dark out at night. Look out, there's the pool area. So that's pretty awesome. Anyways, this has been Captain Billy J here at the Scottsdale Plaza Resort in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. I am here for the National Sweepstakes Convention, actually the 34th annual National Sweepstakes Convention. So having fun so far, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So do make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified of when I post a video like this or go live. This has been Captain Billy J, sign off, and we'll see you guys later. Bye everyone. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related, YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J